Okay. Yeah, I want to speak with internal affairs because this is odd behavior for police to bully me for trying to report child abuse.
Again, I asked you, what did you want to report, and you didn't say anything.
Well, I can report it to someone else besides her because she's acting like she's mentally ill.
I already told you.
Here's a paper right here. I'm adding it to my harassment case. This is criminal. It's a hindering the case is a criminal offense. It's up to 10 years. Harassment.
And child abuse is two different things.
Well, she is lying, saying I created disturbances trying to cover for the child abuse. What interest does she have in covering for stepmom abusing my daughter? That's 10.
Okay.
So I just...
Would you really just talk to me?
Yes, because she's like she's covering for it.
Okay, so
yeah.
Okay. So let's go over here.
Okay, I just want to report it without being bullied and then violated for trying to report child abuse. Because, I mean, that's odd for police to enforce child abuse. Okay. Unless they're a part of it.
Let's have
okay.
Here and explain to me what's going on. I got it.
Okay. My child daughter has bruises. Stepmom is emotionally and verbally abusive. Okay. I reported 9/24/2011. And it happened again February 2018. I saw pictures of my child. She don't look good. So I would like a proper investigation, and I tried to add it to the harassment case.
Okay.
Because I think that my bully is behind the abuse.
Okay. Now, where is your daughter right now?
She's at 6721 Karaoke.
Okay. And who does she live with?
She's living with the abusive stepmom that's lying. She's hindering my child custody rights lying. Okay. But there's police reports and videos of her having bruises. Then in February of 2018, I tried to report it to Child Protective Services. So it's a long history of abuse. Okay. She's emotionally and physically abusive, but I'm not understanding why he would lie and try to cover. What interest does she have in covering for stepmom?
Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you what. I'm in charge of it now.
Okay.
I'll do it. So here's what we're going to do, okay? I'm just coming on duty.
Okay.
I need to get a squad car away from a partner. At that time, I need to go out to the house.
Right.
I need to see if I can see your daughter. But I can still make the report, and I'm going to have to call
CPS?
CPS.
Yes, please.
I just want to let you know.
Yes, I want you to.
And I get your case number.
Right.
And then we'll go from there.
Yeah, because, I mean, the police shouldn't have interest in keeping a child in abuse. Okay. She lied to the courts, saying that she has a history of abuse. Okay. Hindering my child custody agreement, which is a crime.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, well, what's your daughter's name?
Michaela Cage, M-I-C-H.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm sorry, say it again.
M-I-C-H-A.
C-H-A.
L-A. Cage, C-A-G-E.
And what's your date of birth?
Mine?
Hers.
Oh, it's 10/6/09.
Okay, now Michaela, that's her name. That's your daughter's name.
Right.
Okay, and what's the address again?
It's 6721 Karaoke.
6721, okay. That's
right. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
And she's, like I said, emotionally abusive. She's had bruises. I reported it to the police 2011. She can, I got her some brand new earrings. She took the earrings out so her ears can close up. Mm-hmm. She just does mind games. Okay. Like she'll do her hair in a real horrible style, trying to be funny. She dropped her off and left her coat in the winter. We didn't have a car. Okay. So she dropped her off, took off with her coat. I called her. She wouldn't answer the phone. Okay. So I called the family, and then she finally brought it back the next day. But my child was 8 then. Okay. And she's then she ate some candy. My daughter said she whooped her with the metal part of the belt.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, but I just don't understand why police would protect that though. She don't have a lot of money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and she did. Who's the stepmother?
Her name is Denise Williams. She married to Michaela's dad, Michael Cage, which is like special needs, and they concocted a scheme to violate my custody rights. Okay. With the 255th District Court.
Approximate age?
50-something.
Okay, so, and the father's going to be at the house too?
Yeah, yes, but he's like special needs.
Special needs?
Yes.
What's
so,
his name again?
Michael Cage.
Do you know his date of birth, approximately?
I think it's 10/1/70.
10/1?
But he's like special needs. She's a mine. She has power of attorney over him. She's not even the legal custodial parent. Okay. And she's on a walker. So they're not even capable of taking good care of my child.
Okay. Have you seen these bruises?
Yeah, I've seen them, and the police have. Police have too. You took pictures of 9/24/2011.
9/24.
And then February 2018. And she's in a scheme to violate and hinder my child custody rights. She's emotionally abusive. I brought new earrings for my daughter. She took them out and kept the earrings. We didn't have a car, so her ears closed up and still are closed up. Okay. She dropped her off, kept the jacket in winter, her coat, knowing I didn't have a car.
Okay.
And then I called, and she went out. She's deliberate schemes and it violates my daughter. My daughter said she ate candy in front of her, wouldn't give her candy. And then when she got the candy, she whipped her with the metal part of the belt.
Okay.
So there's a history of child abuse. She's lying to the courts, saying that I'm covering for lying and making a lot of statements that aren't true. Then I can't see my daughter. They won't give me visitation. I thought I was a legal custodial parent. They won't let me see her.
Okay. When is the last time you seen your daughter?
At a graduation for only 15, 20 minutes. All of my kids and I.
When was that?
That was May 30th. But before that, it was probably March of 2018.
Okay. What is your last name?
Clark, Clark.
Okay. Ms. Clark, what's your first name?
Kiana, Keyana.
K-E-Y-N?
Keyana. Can I see your name?
Carter.
Oh, Carter. Okay.
My last name is 7616.
7616.
Ms. Clark, what's your date of birth?
It is 4/25/75.
And where you live at?
Right now, I'm at 1610 Malcolm X.
And phone number?
It is 469-934-6746.
Okay, do you have a phone number for Denise Williams?
I believe it is 972-809-12-1231. I can give it to you later.
Okay, do you have a card?
No.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I got to get a squad car away from my partner to come in.
Okay.
And we'll log onto the computer, and then we'll all ride over there. Okay, but we're going to ask you not to come to the door with us, okay, because we don't want to cause any further disturbance. But we'll investigate it, and then we'll determine.
Oh, you're going to let me ride with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But you, like I said, we don't want you.
Oh, I won't talk. But you're dealing with someone that's not honest.
I understand.
And that's a con artist. So I don't know what the benefit of riding over there when it's obvious crime, even if she's not abusing my child now.
So you want to just investigate her?
No, I can go. But I do want you to keep in mind, what can you say to combat all of this? I mean, I appreciate you going over there.
Well, I'm just going to do the report.
Right.
And if I see something where, I'm going to...
First off, I'm a legal custodial parent and they won't let me see her.
Okay.
Then they lied. Mm-hmm. Then she's abusive you took pictures in September 24, 2011. Then she did it again in February, so I don't want my daughter there. Okay. She lied to get her custody, which is a crime too. Okay. Hindering the child custody agreement is a criminal offense, and she's doing it now. Okay. How's her attendance at school? Whenever I see her, she doesn't look very well. Then she reported to me a lot that she wasn't eating over there. Okay. So she come home hungry, and she said that and filthy. Sometimes I saw her, and she almost made me want to cry. Another time when I went out of town, I came back and I said, I'm going to be late. Coming back, she said, well, I already told Michaela I wasn't coming to get you. I said, what? I told her that I wasn't coming to get you. And I don't know what's she going to do if you don't come back in time. So I went up to the school. The school wouldn't put her on the phone in Itasca. I went up to the school, and then when I went up to the school, she had snot, all kinds of stuff. I almost broke into tears.
What school did she go to?
It was Itasca, in Itasca, Hillsborough.
Okay. All right. So like I said, we'll do that.
I don't mind. I would love to ride. Okay. I don't have to say anything. But I already saw May 30th.
Okay. Give me a few minutes. It's going to be a while because we're getting ready to have roll call. And then we'll get a squad car. So just have a seat, and we'll come and get you. Okay?
Okay. I'm not going nowhere. Okay. I'm fine.
Okay.
I just don't want anybody to bully me any further for trying to report child abuse. It's odd.
Yes, ma'am. Nobody will.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Oh, my water bottle.